Hey, I'm Harley J, and today we're talking about WandaVision. Intro. Hey, what's up? Me, Harley J. Today we're talking about WandaVision. WandaVision, starring Elizabeth Olsen, Paul Bettany, Catherine Hahn, and some other amazing people. So, what are we supposed to talk about today? We're supposed to talk about, why is the show so confusing? And, what are we even talking about when we see the show? Well, let's start off by looking at episodes. I'm gonna pull IMDb right here, and I'm gonna pull up IMDb right here, and I'm gonna do this really quickly. Pull up IMDb. Let's pull up IMDb right now. Now, when we look at IMDb, there's definitely going to be WandaVision. So, it is like huge. WandaVision is huge. So, what are we going to do on IMDb? Easy. WandaVision. There's this trailer right here, but we're going to talk about the episodes. What episodes do we have? We have filmed before a live studio audience. Look at this first one. So, let's look at the images. What does this remind you of? For my mom, it reminded my mom all about, the Dick Van Dyke Show. Look, well, you might not be able to see it right now, but if you look at the setup of the house. Dick Van Dyke Show, of course. Now, what's the next episode? The next episode is episode 2. So, let's go to episode 2. Don't touch that dial. Now again, look at the house. I'll show you what it's a parody of. Let me explain. Bewitched. You can tell it's Bewitched. Can't you tell Bewitched? Just straight up Bewitched. Just Bewitched. You've seen it now. Bewitched. You know what I'm talking about. Now, what is the next one? For my family, we all thought the next episode, episode 4, that's Full House. Can't you tell? Now we're just gonna wait. Actually, no. That might not be Full House. Is it Full House? I don't know. This one is definitely Full House, episode 5. Yep, Full House. Now the rest, I don't know, but it is an amazing show, right? Yeah. And what about the series finale? Wait, I just noticed something. Well, I didn't notice it now, but I have seen it before. But I just wanted to say I noticed it now, just make it look cool. But look, what is the title of the show? It's called WandaVision. No, that isn't one. It's called WandaVision. And if we say Wanda, if we add an apostrophe S, it's actually Wanda's vision of the world. Wanda's vision. She created the hex. Wanda's vision of the world. Do you understand it? Good, because that's what we're talking about. Well, we already talked about it, because this video is almost already over. And you know what? It is. So before we end the video, I just want to say that you should make sure to like, subscribe, and do all of that, just like it says down below right now. What does it? What does it say when I go? I don't know. I can't see. I'm just recording this video. I don't know. I'm trying to be funny, but I think I'm not. Peace out.